I don't need that machine. Bro, can I have that machine for the rest? I'm a professional now. You open it like this, right? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to properly maintain and service the brakes on your car in order for you to be completely safe, but in the most affordable way. Here's what I got. Another rear disc, another front disc. These cost a lot of money. I have this for you, bro. I have brake fluid. Okay. Brake fluid. Brake pads. Brembo. We are doing a Brembo swap today. Look, we have a brand new G20 here at Kogu's. Let's look inside and see what's wrong. Wow. I think they're gonna do an electric swap too. First things first, you jack up the whole car, use jack stands, and always use double protection. Put some brake discs or something underneath your tire so if your jack stands fail, your car wouldn't drop on you. Then you need to take off the wheels. I am so strong that I can open this with my bare hands. No, bro, I don't need it. I'm strong. Wow. I don't need that machine. Bro, can I have that machine for the rest? See, I can take off the wheel with my bare hands. This would be a great time to wash your wheels. A lot of people always ask me, why do you have two colored wheels? The answer is because I can and because I want to. $400 US for a piece of wood. Not a lot of life left in the old pad. We're gonna replace it with the new pad. Everyone watching has already done this 2 million times. Should someone hold the brakes? No, there's no brakes. Wow. This is the old disc. As you can see, it's very thin. It has a fat lip. This disc vibrates a lot when I do high-speed braking. Then we have a slightly used disc. As you can see, the lip is not that much. And then we have a slightly more used disc. And this one has been grinded down. This is another one of your options. Mid-cycle before changing the disc, you can do this. They will shave off just a little bit from your disc to make it smooth again. So let's compare this two and see which one. This one is thinner, a lot thinner, right?
So this one is thinner.
So as you can tell,
this one already thin, but this one got leaf on it.
It's very thick. It doesn't have a lip, and it's very thick over here at the indicator. Mine, it's very thin. This one is a lot thinner. And you have to factor in that there is a lip. So if we shave the lip off, it's actually right at the safety point, and this is no longer usable. You gotta put the new disc back in the car. So you're gonna need one of these tools. Using this, you're gonna push your piston back. One tip that I can give you, if you're gonna do all this, wear gloves. Really, one way to do this, just slide it in like that. I'm a professional now. You open it like this, right? So there are two screws behind here. You take off the covers, 8mm, take it off. You take off the old pad from here. Wow. I'm a professional. I don't know how to open this one. I should find the screw, right? Why is it so tight? You know, that's why he keeps asking me if I go to the gym. Bro, make it look like I did the whole thing, okay? Yeah. Just with your editing and stuff. So for the front ones, you don't need to take this off. But for the rear, you need to take this off. There's always special treatment that needs to happen when you're doing it from the rear.
Bro.
Oh, I'm tightening it. Why is everything so different? So we just took out the rear disc. Now you know how to take off the front disc and put back a new one. We just took off the rear disc. We are gonna clean it with some degreaser. This is the brake shoe. This is what your car uses for the handbrake. Change it if it's needed. We're gonna get rid of all this rust, put back a new disc. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and check the acidity of my brake fluid. This is one of the final steps that we are gonna do. Here we go. This is very bad. So if it's at 0%, you're all good. Now let's check it with the new oil. 0%. What a surprise. You have to pour your brake fluid. This is a special container for brake fluid. Make sure to use this all the time. And at the same time, while you're at it, make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. How many years do you think this has been here? Since 2012? Because everything else in this car hasn't been changed since 2012.
Since 2016.
16. Wow, that is a 7-year-old. Yeah, do not do this at home.
Oh, you cannot actually.
Actually, you can't. We are flushing the whole system with the brand new brake fluid. As you can see, this is the old brake fluid, and I'm gonna show you the new one. This is brand new brake fluid that we are putting in the car right now, and this is the old one. As you can see, there is a huge difference. Change your brake fluid every 2 years. According to Kogu, you just want to change the fluid in the reservoir. It's better if you don't change it at all. You may be wondering why I have brand new discs over here. Long story short, I got 2 sets of discs for this car from my friends, and those were 330E brakes. Little did I know that there's a slight size difference between the 330E brakes and the 328i brakes. So mine is bigger as always. That means that I wasted money on 2 sets of discs. Don't be me, don't be cheap. In the end, you gotta pay the price. So after you flush your car with 1 liter of fluid, starting from the furthest wheel, and you will pump in another liter of brand new brake fluid. This time, all of your lines will be filled with brand new fluid. Process will be done. Make sure to do this every 2 years. In a previous video, we already talked about this. If you don't want to end up in a ditch, change your brake fluid every 2 years or 40 to 50,000 kilometers. Machine like this to check the acidity of your brake fluid, which is what we are gonna do right now. So if it's on 0, it means it's okay. Oh my God, bro. Make sure to click here to watch that video, all the services and maintenances that has to be done to these cars. With all that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. So after this, my car is gonna stop like I have a big brake kit, right?
Yeah, the car will brake before you touch the brake pedal.
Nice. This is what we want.